OPEC says balance the market the end of next year. Mr. Barkindo seems to suggest it's going to happen soon. What's your take?
I do think the market is going to get closer to that balance that they're looking for. And ultimately, very likely it can be achieved. Now, the question, though, is, are they going to keep a production cap in the second half of next year? That's going to continue to rattle the market. And really, they expressed quite the concern of U.S. production. And I think it was in the tune of 180,000 barrels per day coming back on the market from U.S. production by the end of 2018. And that might be an underestimate there, because I think we're going to see U.S. production continue to come on board here as long as prices are above $50. And I have a bearish outlook after my target of 58.97 has been achieved. And I think this market has a little bit of a bath in tune for it.
Bill, what are we going to learn on the stockpile front from the EIA in roughly 14 minutes' time?
Well, the setup that we're getting from the API data last night into the EI data today is exactly what we would want to look for being bearish. I mean, you had a massive draw from API yesterday, and this sets the bar for what EIA is. The draw from API was about a little over 7 million barrels. EIA's expectations are a little over 3 million barrels. If EIA's report today is only in line with expectations, this market will go lower, and I expect as well production to pick up is going to be an important thing to watch there with that as well. But I think this API report sets the tone and allows the market to go lower from this EIA.